My name is Jermaine. Rolando Monge Ordaz Jr. My field was electrician. From my experience, it was like pretty quick. I'd say like a month or two, just to start off. But like when it came to like the actual answers, it was pretty good, and I was very confident with them. And it was pretty. I could understand it, which is a lot for someone that's not a. They should definitely set a time and schedule, like a time, like maybe like 2 hours, 2 hours to themselves to actually do it. Because I know some people can't, because the schedule is too much for them. But if they can schedule at least something like maybe once a day, twice a day, they'll go through it much quicker than just doing it one whole day. Because that can be very taxing, which is what I did. But it probably would have been better if I just did like 2 hours a day. It could have saved me a lot of stress. So the online learning, for the most part, it was pretty good. Like I said earlier, like I'm more of an on visual learner, and I was able to go along and go through with it and understand it for the most part. And I feel very confident about it when I finished it. And then when I did when I did the VR headset, I had more confidence because I could actually see it, which is how I learned the most.